Da-da-da-da-da-da. And he's live. Just like that. Oh man, we're gonna continue where we left off. And I'm gonna test a few things real quick. I'm gonna bring up the sub button thingy. Boop. There we go. Sam Trimboli is first. Oh, Dada's gonna be annoyed. Sakurai is second. Oh man, Dada's gonna be annoyed. How are you, cara mia? Come stai? Alright, you know what I forgot? To make a drink. Now, it's my fault, my bad, and I'm not gonna, you know what? I'm gonna get one actually. I was gonna punish myself for forgetting, but no. I don't deserve a punishment. I'll be right back. Ivan, welcome, and Jack Hammer too. What is this? Vloggy streaming our game before 1 a.m. And Emily, hello everyone in chat. It's a party. I need to get that Johnny Walker real quick because it's getting crowded here. I need a drink. I'll be right back. Johnny Walker, I summon you to give me confidence with the ladies. The beautiful ladies in the chat. Alright, so I'm gonna continue where I left off. Amy! Pew pew pew! And there's Philly. Very soon, Philly. The hot chili thingy is about to happen. I'm gonna pour me a drink. There we go, just a little tiny bit. I'm waiting for a pizza, so it can't be a pants off stream today. Because I need to answer the door. Alright, so load game. Oh, I forgot to tweet the stream. Where is it? I need to tweet the stream. Hold on. I cannot betray myself. Hold on. I'm gonna share my own post. Share on my own timeline. I'm gonna share on my Facebook as well. Come boo me in chat. Alright, there we go. We're good to go. We are good to go. This game's posh. Jack, I actually finished half the game on Sunday. Vloggy, do you have Jack Daniels? I used to drink Jack Daniels, but now it feels like it's... I like to call it booze for kids, because it's too sweet. Nah, I like real whiskey, real scotch, 12 years. Wesker has hangover, so I'll probably be lurking. Julian, hey! Nice to see you. Quiplash and chili? Maybe. No. Oh, load complete. And here I am waiting for the game to load. Oh yeah! The alarm was ringing, and do I have... Yep, we're good to go. Hold on. Is it gonna happen? Am I gonna need the... Hold on a sec. Combine. Guys, I remind you that I'm a noob at this, huh? Is it gonna happen that I didn't fight? Do I need to get the arrows? The fiery arrows thingies here? I have a feeling I'm gonna take this with me as well. I'm starting to worry already, so let's go. Okay. Oh, you haven't played this one? Nope, it's blind. Blind as a bat. Warning, the self-destruct sequence has been activated. The volume on my TV is too low now, I can't hear anything. Maybe I should put it on a bit. Bare Bones, boo! Bare Bones just saw it on my Facebook and he's like, I'm gonna boo him. I'm gonna go boo him. How are you, Bare Bones? I put the volume up a little bit. I'm sorry if you can hear through my TV now, if you can, it gets picked up from... Alright, let's go.
Claire!
He spooks me.
Those must be the remaining survivors.
We'd better get out of here too.
Right.
Hey, Doug.
Let's go.
Whoa, what's with the notifications on my phone? Ah, okay. it's Emily. Thank you for the retweet, Emily. I appreciate that. Oh, let's go. Because I've got my my MacBook, my iPhone, and my tablet. They are linked with the same iCloud account.
We
I
gotta
love
get
this
to that
music.
airport.
Do you like do likes do anything anymore? Yes, they do. Keep liking, my friend. Keep liking. They don't do anything now. You know what it does? If YouTube hang on, I want to listen to this.
Self-destruct system has been activated. All personnel evacuate immediately.
If you like my video, YouTube knows that and will recommend my own videos to you. Like if you enjoyed this guy's stream, you're gonna like his stream right now and it will recommend it. That's what it is. Let's go. So I was saying, I've got my MacBook and my iPad and my phone all linked with the same iCloud account. So each time I get a notification on my phone, for instance, Philly just followed me, for instance, I get a notification on my phone, a notification on my iPad, and a notification on my... Hold on. Oh, seriously? You son of a biscuit. There I am.
The self-destruct system has been activated. All personnel evacuate immediately.
Okay, Amy, no problem. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate that.
The self-destruct
Take
system
care. Do I go up here? I forgot. No. Here's Japan. I don't have the keyhole. Do I go up here? I don't know. No, I've been here. No, this is not the right place. Am I messing up? I think I am. Faja! You already said it. Hey, Juan Pablo! My Faja! From now on, you're my Faja. What's this? Control lever is missing. Yep, I ran all the way here for nothing. Oh, whoops, I'm looking at chat. Take the Faja away!
Self-destruct system has been
Faja! Faja, can you hear me? I've been here.
The self-destruct system
Hi Vloggy, I went to drugstore to buy paper goods. I saw pops, I thought it was like Cure Pops, but they were lip balms. What? What you talking about, Willis? That's the plane. Oh, there he is waiting for me. I didn't notice he was there. Oops. I'm coming, Faja! A smoke on a pancake? Would you like a smoke on a pancake? Did you see that dodge? Like a pro! He fell. This guy I can avoid. I have a great time. The collectibles. Hold on. Hold on! Hey, Faja. Faja! Faja, can you hear me? There, they go in here. There we go. Put one in. Giggity.
The self-destruct system has been
Faja, can you hear me?
all personnel evacuate immediately.
Alright, lift control, switch, let's go. This plane required
The self-destruct system has been
required 3 medals to start it. Alright, come on Vloggy. It's a hydroplane, hard to miss. Shut up, Jack. Okay, so hold on, what's this? Whoa, what is this? Hold on, there's something on the floor. I didn't pick it up.
We can't take off unless we raise the bridge.
Leave that to me. You stay here and make the preparations for takeoff. The self-destruct system has been activated. All personnel evacuate immediately.
Pick it up, sucker. Take the control lever. Okay, now I know what I need to do. Okay. We got this. Hold on, I'm just gonna look around real quick. Item Bosch. Need to be careful, huh? I'm not at my best. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna save because I don't know if the game will give me another opportunity to save later, so I'm just gonna do it now. Is Kaya here? Oh, there she is. Hello, Kaya. How are you? I said it in French with a French accent. Hello, Kaya. Super Kaya. Is the game too? It's locked. Seriously? Game. You locked me in?
All personnel, evacuate immediately.
Oh, okay. Alright. Oh, you touch my tra-la-la.
The self-destruct system has been activated.
Gotta get that stretchables, yeah. It's a rubber band. You see, if I ever have a band, I will call it rubber. So it would be rubber band. Get it? Can I jump over? If only, sir. If only. Wrong door. Yes. Alright, Vloggy. I gotta go back to work. Okay, Sakura, no problem. Booyah! This guy, no. This guy already gave me the business earlier, so stay down. I don't think he's dead. No, he is. Okay, good. I'll be coming on my next break to watch you. Yeah, I appreciate that, Sakura. Take care. Have a good time at work. Today, actually, on a personal note, today I handed in my resignation where I work. I'm gonna resign because I'm gonna be doing YouTube full time. If only, if only. No, but I did resign from my work. You know what? I had a mind to play a little joke, like telling my managers that I am gonna be doing YouTube full time. That's why I'm gonna resign. I just wanted to see their reaction if I did say that, because they do. Some of them actually do watch some of my videos, and I was gonna say that to see what the reaction is, just as a joke, really. But you know, the moment it got really serious. There's a door. The moment got really serious that I actually forgot to do the joke. Stupid, stupid. Flip stable, flip stable. Alright, what's this? Oh no, puzzle. Device controls the bridge's oil pressure. Do I need to touch it? No, don't touch this. No water? No. Is there a valve I need to turn? No. I don't need to touch these, eh? You guys stay dead, okay? Airport key. Anybody else? He's already dead, he's already dead. Let's go. Do I need to do anything here? Feels like I need to do something. I don't know why they're blinking. I don't know. Use? No. Don't touch this. Don't. Flip all the tables. Hey, Beaver! Hey, Beaver. Oh, that reminds me, actually. I think Beaver was... I think I met Beaver first on one of my Pokemon streams. And he just reminded me, actually. I will be doing a Pokemon stream in the next 2 days. Either tomorrow or the day after. Definitely, definitely. I'm gonna be giving away Pokemon again. Do I need to do this? Oh, well, there we go. There's a lot of backtracking in this game. So much. So much. Alright, I'm gonna pick these up. What do I do? Hold on, I was gonna miss some stuff here. I don't need to miss stuff. I can't afford to miss stuff. Hold on, hold on, hold on. So, which version? Which version am I gonna be giving away Pokemon, you mean? Or which version am I playing here? Sorry. This is the PS3 version. Just in case, this is the PS3 version of Pokemon. I'm giving you away the ones on Sun and Moon. Yeah, it's so much backtracking. It's a joke, huh? Hold on, let me just go back real quick. I think this is the game that has so much backtracking. It's the most. Hold on, is it back? Yes, it is. So then, it feels like I can't. Hold on. I cannot push
Self-destruct system
this over here.
has been
Here. No. Okay. Phone starters. That's right. Yes. That's right. So yeah, if any of you have Pokemon and you would like Hoenn starters, that's what I'm gonna be giving away. I don't know what to do.
The self-destruct system has been activated.
I'm confused, huh? Push the crate in. I did push it in. Hard. No, I did, but look. Nothing happens.
The self-destruct system has been activated.
Hold on. I got it. Oof, silly me. I got it. Alright, there we go. Stupid VloggyBuddy.
Self-destruct system has been activated. All personnel evacuate.
There we go. Sorry about that. Getting jiggy with it.
Self-destruct system.
That's it. Are we done here? Out of here? Out? Bye, have a great time? Let's go.
The self-destruct
Now then, back to the plane, I suppose, eh?
activated.
I think so.
Personnel evacuate immediately.
Back to the plane, yeah? And now I have to go. Bye. Okay, Beaver, thank you so for stopping by. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. See you on the next... Oh, nose!
Activated.
See you on the next Pokemon stream.
Immediately.
I think I need to push the lift button.
The
Ah,
self-destruct
yeah.
system
Sounds about
has
right.
been activated. All personnel evacuate immediately.
Get the grenade launcher. Don't I have the grenade launcher already? Oh, you mean pick it up now? Oh, okay. Okay, yeah, that's a good idea.
Self-destruct system has been
Actually,
all personnel evacuate.
where's the grenade launcher? Hold on, I don't have a grenade launcher. Yeah, I do, I should. There it is. Oh, yeah. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna push this button.
Self-destruct system
Oops.
has
Isn't
been
there?
activated. All personnel evacuate.
Oh, I just had to check it. That's all I had to do.
Until detonation.
I should have saved.
I will not allow you fools to escape. This is what you get for trying to oppose me. Now feel my revenge.
Okay, what's with his arms? It's hands, really? There always has to be a tyrant in a Resident Evil game, eh?
The self-destruct system has been activated. All personnel evacuate.
Dolphin laugh. Alright, run, Forrest, run! Where do I go? I forgot. Oops. I forgot which way. I forgot which way. Oh, this way. Stars. Do I fight him or do I just run? Do I fight him or do I just run? Uh-oh. No, don't! Ah! Do I fight him? Okay, I don't think I can... What the? Seriously? Oh, come on, seriously? Seriously? Retry. Oh, man. Alright, the first thing I'm gonna do is pick these
The
up.
self-destruct system.
Alright, that's good. At least I can speedrun this now.
All
Speedrun.
personnel evacuate
You're right.
immediately.
My goodness! So
The
I cannot,
has been
I have to kill him, yeah? I can't just get past him or something. He doesn't let me. Alright, that's fine. That's fine, sucker. That's fine. That's fine. If I do say so myself. Go. I got this. kind of tired from this music though. I want it to end now. Ah! Ooh! Did you see that? Do you see what you get when you mess with the warrior? Huh? The warrior. Crossbow. Should I use the crossbow bombs or should I use the grenade launcher rounds? What do you guys think? Hmm? Hmm?
The self-destruct system has been activated.
So I go up and away. Then save. Okay, kill him, use crossbow, then save on the plane again. Alright, something like that, yes. Alright, this door. We got this. Oh, I'm just gonna use the grenade launcher first, actually, yes. I'm gonna follow Emily's advice. I was gonna use the grenade launcher now and the crossbow thing on the plane. Because I think I saw a Wesker do that the first time in my life ever. I saw him do it like that, and I'm thinking I'm gonna do that. I'm sure that works. Say the exploder for the plane. Yeah, I've seen everybody do that. First time I ever saw anyone do it was Wesker, and I'm thinking I'm gonna do the same. So pick up the thing. There we go. Out. There wasn't anything here, eh? No. We got this. We got this. Get good, streamer. I love saying that. Out. Sucker. So okay, so now I think the crossbow arrows will still work just as fine as well. I just want to do it in that order because it's the first time I ever saw it. First time I ever saw it was like that, so I want to do the same. Just because. Alright, so push in the box again. That is one. That is two. Should I save? I feel like I should. You see, I speedrun now, like a pro. I'm gonna pick the grenade launcher right away. I'm gonna use these and these. And I'm gonna save. Alright, so I'm gonna equip it right away. I'm not gonna take any chances. Did I equip it? Yes. She looks very casual. It looks very small in her hands. There it is. Alright, let's go. It's gonna happen. Say goodbye to Mr. Tyrant. Let me make myself another drink.
I will not allow you fools to escape. This is what you get for trying to...
Did you like the laugh, huh? Tyrant's gonna get it. Tyrant's gonna get it. Stretch them vocal cords. Use the air bombs to drop Tyrant anyways. Yeah, that's what I was gonna do, yeah, exactly. So, am I equipping it? Should I heal? Nah. Who needs to heal? Let's do this, sucker. And I don't need. Get close, sucker. That's it. You're done. No. Oh, what? Okay. I'm down, but I can still attack you. Like what? Okay, combine. Come on, man, just stay down. Alright, rip. Did you guys see that? He's like, let's go! He's like, I'm stunned, but I can still attack you. Don't you dare get past me. Like, what? That's stupid. But anyway. True Nightfall just retweeted me. Thank you, True! Are you watching? Are you lurking? Come out of lurk. True! Come out of lurk. I love this music, but I'm tired of it. Yeah, we saw it. And now Super Crier retweeted. Thank you so much. I appreciate that. I'm gonna have a sip. Just for you. Am I halfway through the game?
Self-destruct system has been activated. All personnel evacuate.
What did I do? Wait a minute.
The self-destruct system has been activated.
What the heck? Where am I supposed to go?
Evacuate.
What the heck? Alright, I'm going the right way. Yeah, I'm going the right way.
The self-destruct system has been activated. All personnel evacuate immediately. The self-destruct system
Like a boss.
immediately.
Not quite yet. This game is long.
The self-destruct system has been
Now what?
all personnel evacuate.
Alright. Did I make it? Are we done?
All personnel evacuate immediately.
What took you so long? I was starting to get worried.
No time to explain. Let's go. The
Right,
self-destruct
we're out of here.
system
Time to
has
say goodbye to this death trap. We made it! Yahoo!
Ugh, it's finally over.
Claire, I'm sorry. I know I caused a lot of trouble for you.
No, it's okay. It was hard for both of us.
Well, I really hope you find your brother. I know what it's like to be alone.
Oh, Steve.
So, where should we go now? I can take you anywhere you want to go, Claire.
I hear Hawaii's nice this time of year.
You got it!
Hey, look. It's... Oh, Steve, the only words in Claire's vocabulary.
This game is not over yet. Now you will see what real terror is all about.
Is she gonna chase them? He, she, he.
Hey! What the? The cargo room hatch is open.
I'll go back and check it out.
Thanks. I've unlocked the cargo room door.
Alright, so I'm not gonna take any chances, I'm gonna save. I don't care. I don't care if I look noobish, but I'm gonna save. Look at Jack, he knows everything about fighter jets and guns and this and that. You know what? If the world comes to an end, Jack, I wanna hang out with you. You're a good survivor. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fight this. So I'm gonna combine these now. Combine. I hope I do this right, huh? I hope I do this right. And hey, Yala, welcome. Nice to see you. Welcome to the stream, buddy. Now you go to Antarctica. Yeah, I know. I heard, and I saw a little bit. It's funny how I've been on many Resident Evil Code Veronica streams, but I never pay attention to the game on purpose so that I don't have it spoiled. That's me making the heart impression. He's like, dude, you don't have a boarding pass. What are you doing here? Do I just shoot him? What? I just shoot him, eh? Oh, now he has a claw. A claw and a half. Materials preparation complete. Catapult ready. Okay. Okay. What do I do? Nice. GG, sucker. Hold on, hold on. Come this way, sucker. Come this way. This way. This way, this way. In this particular corner, I want you. Come on! Whoa! What the heck? I didn't even know that could happen! What? I didn't know that could happen. Nice one. Okay, so the cargo catapult first, then the crossbow. I didn't know that, you see. I thought maybe I just wear him out with the crossbow, and then I use the catapult. Okie doke. That's good. That's good advice. You see, I'm learning. I can't believe I'm noob at a Resident Evil game. It feels good, huh? It feels good. I haven't felt like a noob in a Resident Evil game in years, excluding Resident Evil 7, obviously. But this is a classic Resident Evil 7, classic Resident Evil game, and that is why I refrain from calling myself a Resident Evil fan, because of this game. Because I haven't played them all, you know, until you play Resident Evil Code Veronica. All right, this is gonna happen. This is gonna happen. Like, I'm enjoying some breeze here, man. What you doing, sucker? Like, I'm gonna grow a claw and a half. Beep boop beep. Launch the catapult, yes. What do you do then? Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, 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 sucker. Easy, man. Uh-oh. Oh, seriously? I'm caught. Ah! Oh, wait, yeah. Sorry, it came out in Maltese. What the heck? Seriously? I got stuck. That's okay. I'm gonna do this. It's a good thing I saved, my goodness. Come on, door. Stop hesitating. Hey, V4! I noticed you changed your picture. No more creepy doll. Is that you? Is that you? The one in my picture is me. Like, he's exactly what I look like. and I was gonna say, do you guys know what I exactly look like? I forget I make face cam streams sometimes. Oh man. Alright, alright, alright. Yes. How many times do I need to do this? You and blonde? That's good. That suits you. Hello, sir. Hello, sir. Come get it. Come get it. Ah! Eee! Hello. 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 Do I just have to dodge? That's it? Yeah! No! 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 Oh, come on! Seriously? Beep boop beep, come on! Yes! 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 You come on! What do I do? Oh, come on now! Come on now! V4. Hey Elizabeth! Been waiting for my stream. That is why I'm streaming, Elizabeth. Just for you. Okay? Just for you. That's why I'm losing. So I give you the impression that it's a blind run. Yeah, right. Oh man, if only. What do I do? Do I shoot him in between launches of the catapult or not? Or just have to keep dodging and do catapult many times? I don't know. Soften him up with the explosive rounds, Loggy. Alright, 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 alright. We got this. Combine. We got this. Okay, so let's do this. Let's do this. You gotta wear him down. Use it for a bit of ammo. Otherwise, okay, okay, that's good to know. You see? Okay, that is good to know. That is very good to know. Vloggy, I know what you need to do. I think I do too now. And keep trying. Yes, beautiful lips. The star has beautiful kissable lips. So he's like, the fan's like GG. Nice try, sucker. Okay. Okay. Oh, come on, really? Haha. Okay, okay, okay. Oh, come on! Come on! I don't want to die! Beep boop beep! Not good enough! Uh-oh! Out of ammo! Uh-oh, uh-oh, and... Oh, come on! Come on! Come on! Do as much damage as you can before launching the grate. That is good to know. Okay. The thing is, I only want to go with just 2 herbs. I don't want to use my... I have another... In the crate here, I have... In the item box, I have first aid spray. And another herbage. Oh, I have a lot of herbage, actually. You know what? I'm gonna take another one with me. I'm gonna be okay, guys. I'm gonna be okay. You did wrong. Alright, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do this, guys. This is for you. This is all for all of you. Where is that pizza? I'm waiting for my pizza. When the pizza gets here, hey, cheer! When the pizza gets here, I'm gonna pause the game. I'm gonna quickly run out. That is why the stream is pants on. As soon as he shouts himself, he's gonna get it. He's gonna get it, sucker. Boom, 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 boom. Pew, 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 pew. Okay, nice try. Uh-oh. No, not in the corner. Do not look me in the corner. All right. Oh, he is weak. Look at him. He is weak. He is weak. Nice. He's bleeding. Oh, okay. I got it now. Bye. Have a great time. Bye, sucker. No. Nice and peace, quiet. All right. The fallen tyrant. I got an achievement. I'm doing great here. Thank you for asking. How are you, buddy? I did it. I did it. Alright, so, is there anything here that I need? Hold on. Nothing. No need to operate it anymore, probably. Let's go. You made a test stream. How did it go?
What was wrong?
Oh, nothing. Just a tyrant.
Just
Killed me
a
5
giant
times.
cockroach that had to be stepped on.
What's happening?
I don't know. The plane just changed direction on its own. It's flying in autopilot mode. I can't switch over to manual control.
My apologies, but I cannot let you escape now.
Alfred! You cross-dressing freak!
Yes, Steve, you wish. You got Claire, you wish. He's gonna go for it. Nice try, Steve. Creepy Steve. It's true. I mean, like, what? Did he try to kiss her when she's sleeping?
Hey, where are we?
Huh?
Latitude 82.17 degrees. That's the Antarctic. We're over the Antarctic.
What?
Come back, Julian.
Those are the seaplanes that left the island right before us.
Then that must mean this place belongs to Umbrella.
Wow, this cutscene looks terrible, huh? This game was supposed to be remastered for the PS3. Looks terrible. V4. Sub the likes and like the subs. Smooches. He tried to smooch her. First half. Say first half. Did I first? So I finished the first half, apparently. Nice. This game is weird, isn't it? It has a very weird vibe. Like incest, and Steve being creepy, and the guy who is in love with his sister and he wants to be his sister. What? This game is so weird. I mean, if they had to remake this game,
Oh.
they'd have to retell the story, yeah, because it's too weird. Hey, Hassan, welcome.
Hey,
Nice to see you.
wake up, Steve.
Oh. We're still alive.
Thanks.
Not to mention Steve's moods.
Oh, plane's trashed. Well, let's split up and find another way off this oversized freezer.
Right.
Okay, let's do it.
So weird, eh? Okay, so he has so many mood swings. He's like on his period or something. It's amazing. One moment he's happy, the next moment he's angry. One moment he's trying to kiss her, the next moment he doesn't want to take her hand to get up. What's up with that, man? In my opinion, Vloggy Resident Evil is one of the best, if not best, Resident Evil games in the franchise. I don't know. I mean, it looks amazing, and I'm a big fan of fixed camera angles. But this game introduced fixed camera angles, but they move around with you a little bit. Look, before it changes, it's gonna move around with you a little bit. Okay, not in this case apparently, but you know what I mean. I'm gonna go through this door first. You know, and I'm a big fan of that. So the game is fantastic, but the storytelling is a bit weird, huh? It's a bit weird. It's a me, Vloggy. Now I'm gonna read V4's comment right now. It's a me, Vloggy. Hey Dante. Steve must feel like getting friend-zoned. Yeah, he's friend-zoned, definitely. No, it's locked. Machine room. Let's not forget that. Look, this is what I mean. Like, the camera follows you around. It's fixed cameras, but it changes. Okay, it's not gonna change apparently here either. Game, come on. You make me look like a fool. It's me, Mario. Woohoo! Vloggy #1. This is what I'm talking about. Look. This is what I'm talking about. Look, this is a fixed camera angle, like a movie. It's like a movie. Look, it walks around with you for a bit, and then it changes. I love that. I'm a big fan of that. Then they implied this feature as well in Outbreak. You know what? I'm gonna kill you, man. Oh, really? Oh, really, game? Okay. It's me, Luigi! How's my impression of a Mario? How's my Mario impression? Sweet Herbage! Hey, Sophie! Nice to see you! Welcome! Entry, please! I watched a few Borat clips today, and at one point he says that. Come on, entry, please! What's this? A metal shop machine with diamond cutting edge. I can use this to process metal materials easily. Neat impression vlogging. You can get me. Again, doing a Borat reference. You will never get this, you will never get this, la 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 la. And he crazy in the cage. I don't know if you guys ever watched that, sorry. Alright, I'm done here. There's nothing in this room that I can do. Are we being graded? No, I don't think so. Alright, so... Next door. Ah, wait, this one was locked, we said. Yes, so... It's just, I appreciate that though. Alright, so this door. Crazy monkey wants to get out. I remember True playing this part. There was spiders or something here. Why are you looking down? Is he alive? Hello, sir. Stay down, okay? I have a feeling they're all gonna get up. You see, this is what I'm talking about. Like, look, the camera follows you around for a little bit and then it changes. I like that. I like that so much. Is this a map that I can take? No. Once pizza arrives, Vloggy will go electro on us. What do you mean electro? What do you mean? I wish I had powers. Alright, this, what does it say? They're only useless books. Quite a mess. Right? You guys want to bet that the moment I pick up that shiny item, zombies are gonna get up? You want to bet? You want to make a bet? Come on, pick this up. There's ammo. I can see them. What the what? Alright, there you go. Once the pizza arrives, I'm gonna watch it get cold, slowly. Because I'm not gonna eat on stream. I'm not that kind of... Oh, Balgam powder. Thank you. I told you. Yeah, right, game. Like, that's the only thing that's gonna happen. Come on. Electro, no pants. Ah, that's why. Oh yeah, from Spider-Man. I actually was gonna... There we go. There we go, game. You're so predictable. I'm gonna hang out here for a bit. Look at the zombies, like, I'm gonna get you. He's like, the shortest way to you is a straight line. So I'm gonna walk in a straight line. But dude, that's not how it works. He's like, the fastest way to get to you. Looks like I need to... Get ready to shoot. They are ripped, okay. No bet. You see, I told you. I'm so good at this. I'm so good at this game. Oh, more ammo. FAS stands for First Aid Spray. I know that much. I think that's what he means. Worker's Diary. Let's read for a little bit. When I joined Umbrella Corp Inc., I thought that I would be able to live carefree for the rest of my life, being employed by this huge corporation. It's a joke that I ended up being a driver at a place like this. I asked for a position change, but they completely ignored me. It feels like a prison. Work is extremely demanding and there is nothing fun about it. I'd rather be dead. And I have a feeling he got his wish. November 3rd, my hard-earned vacation was cancelled suddenly. I heard they failed to secure enough manpower due to a mistake made by the facility head, Alfred. That fool doesn't deserve forgiveness. He doesn't even treat us like human beings. November 5th, I heard an interesting story from a guy who's been working here for over 8 years. He must be awfully patient. He says that there is a man who has been confined for over 10 years, locked up in a cell, located deep below here. People call him Nosferatu. What? Who? Nosferatu? And are deathly afraid of him. What an absurd story. So we're probably going to meet Nosferatu, I'm assuming. Imitate zombie coming behind looking. The closest thing to that, Elizabeth, the closest thing to that was V4. I was playing Resident Evil 0. And with face cam, I was on the floor in front of my couch, and she kept telling me that there was something behind me. She kept seeing shadows and stuff, and she did make me pause and look behind me once or twice. So So yeah, anyway, Resident Evil, I think it was my first time playing Resident Evil 0, I think. No, I think the second time. Anyway, at midnight I woke up to an ominous growling sound that seemed to be coming from deep underground. I'm so pathetic to have been frightened by such a foolish story. Then again, I suppose anyone would have had a hard time maintaining their sanity if they were confined in a place like this. You filed the worker's diary. As I was reading, I kept thinking, Vloggy, do you play DMC sometimes? I never played a DMC game in my life, ever. So many franchises I've never tried. As I was reading, I remembered, I was watching a stream yesterday, I was watching this guy playing, and he was reading the files in the mansion, he was playing RE1. He was reading, and he was such a fast reader, I was blown away how fast he could read. Anywho. We're done here, yes. There was nothing in this room, like no key items. You know what put me off DMC, actually? Knowing that it spawned from Resident Evil. Like, this game is wanted to be Resident Evil but failed. So for me it was like a Resident Evil wannabe. That's what put me off. Like, this is not something I would be interested in for sure. When it comes to games, and food, and women, I'm very picky. I am very, very picky when it comes to movies as well. Oh, lovely. Oh, my phone. I don't know if it's my pizza. Hold on, guys. Hold on. Okay, I'm back. Sorry about that. That took a while. I had to put shoes on and a shirt on. Oh man, I'm not going to be eating my pizza anyway because I'm going to be chewing in your faces and I don't want to do that. So I'll have cold pizza. I love cold pizza anyway. So, am I down to 0 views or something? Anyway, so where were we? I'm going to make myself another drink while I'm here. Alright, let's go. I'm gonna go through here. Oh man, the pizza's amazing. It's so big and it smells lovely. I could have easily lodged these guys, but anyway. I really hate being away, going let's call it AFK. I really hate going AFK during a stream. That is why I need some sort of, thank you Hassan. That is why I need some sort of, I ran and I'm out of breath. I need some sort of a screen, like Be Right Back, or some sort of a music video or something. There's the streamer, he has Shaquille O'Neal doing a shimmy dance. And it's called Dance Break. It's so good. It's not being supplied. Oh, there's some sort of puzzle here. I remember through doing this. Alright, but power is not being supplied, so there's no point to that. Oh, what is this? So many rooms! BOW. Are there any points to killing these spiders? Because... Oh, okay. You know what? Am I on poison or something? No, we're fine. Okay, so what do I do here? Well, your comments, it's electrifying me, Vloggy. The way you talk. Hassan. You're so sweet with your comments. Ah, man. What do I do? I need to find an item box here somewhere. You can't take any more items, that's fine. I'm gonna have to find an item box here somewhere. I hate spiders. What is this? What the? There's something up there. Yeah, I figure Sam. Let me figure it out on my own though. Hold on. Wait for me to ask for some help before helping me. Because I appreciate the quest, basically. I like... I can't pick it up because I don't have... Hello, zombie. Someone's still walking. Oh, that guy. Missiles. Oh, come on. Will somebody just... You can't carry any more items. So many things! I need to find a save room here somewhere. Have to come back to all these rooms. Bill Cout is lurking, but we see you. Is the stream okay? Because the OBS is giving me a red light. I don't know if it makes any difference, but it's showing red. I don't know. It's been a while since it's done that. Combine the herbs. No, I don't want to combine the herbs. No. I want to keep them as it is. Maybe the blue ones? I can't combine blue ones, no. I don't want to combine the herbs. Maybe up here? Ah! Isn't there a save room here somewhere? Come on, game. Are we back on? Is it better now? It's still playing, huh? It's still acting up. I'm not convinced. I'm not convinced, no. No. Nope. I'm not happy. Bad. It's just my stream is bad. I think something's wrong today with YouTube, huh? Because even Barry's been having issues with the stream. Hey, Dada, I see you, buddy. Sorry, I'm just very confused about the stream right now. All right, give me some feedback on the stream. I appreciate that. Sorry, I hate giving you work to do, but if you could give me some feedback on the stream, I appreciate that. Where is that? Is there a save room here somewhere? So I've been in this room, yes. I'm gonna go again real quick. No, have I been in this room? Buffer continues. I'm sorry. I don't think. Okay, I'm back, but I'm not so convinced. I'm not too convinced either. What I'm gonna do? I'm gonna try to lower. Hold on, give me a sec. Gonna try something. Hold on. Stop. Okay, last attempt. It should be better. I don't know. Is it gonna be better? Is it gonna be better? Last attempt. Last attempt. No, still not satisfied. I'm sorry. I tried to lower the bitrate, but it's not making any difference. My internet connection is fine. So, no, I'm not satisfied. No. Settings. Encoding. Should I lower it? 1500 perhaps? Let's see. I don't know. I'm gonna try it one more time. Okay, one last try. Alright, I've lowered the bitrate now. We'll see. We'll see how this goes. It should be a bit better. I don't know. It should be a bit better. Let me know. Give me feedback. Should be okay, but if it persists, I'm gonna end off the stream. Something's wrong with YouTube today. Something is wrong. Oh no, it's still going on red. Let me know. Give me feedback. If it persists, I'm gonna end it. I will save and I'll continue next time. No hard feelings, no sweat. But no, it's still on red. It's still on red. Better. Is it watchable though? Is it watchable? That's the thing. That's what worries me. I want it to be watchable. What's the latency like? Yeah, I know I missed the... no buffering? Okay. Tibor says okay. Refresh. My memory works fine. Seems good now. Everybody sees it okay. On my OBS it says red. It still says red. My OBS is still not satisfied. But if you are okay, if it's watchable. Yes, if it's watchable, that's the word. If it's watchable, that's fine. You know what? Hold on. Oh, I keep hearing a noise. What is this noise? Live latency is stable at 13. 13 is fine. 13, I'm okay with 13, even though I'm getting a red light on. You see, on OBS. On OBS, you get. I'm not sure if you're familiar with OBS, but you get like a little box at the bottom right, and it tells you like it's green or orange or yellow. Right now it's on red, but we'll see. Okay, so what I'm gonna do real quick. I don't know what this noise is, and it's annoying me. And buffers again. Elizabeth says it's fine. I don't know. I don't think it's good enough though. But there's something wrong with YouTube today. In fact, I think it was a poor decision from my end to stream. But anyway, we'll see. It just went up to 26. You see? There's something wrong today. Try restart your router. No, it's not my router. I just performed the speed test between when I disconnected OBS. Well, in between, I restarted my router and not restart my router. Sorry, I'm just reading chat. And the speed test is fine. No, but no. The thing is, I will stop if it's not an enjoyable experience because I want the experience to be okay. You know, I'd rather stream. I'm gonna save actually because it's been a while. It's fine most of the time now. I lowered the latency. Not the latency, the bitrate. You know what I'm gonna do? I don't know if it helps. Hold on, I'm gonna disable my other computer because my other computer is playing the stream as well. I'm gonna disable that just so I don't consume bandwidth. Midna, hello! Hold on, put the headset down real quick. Alright, so yeah, I disabled the wireless on my laptop. I was playing the stream as well. Just so I can keep just so I can keep an eye on the stream, but I don't even look at it, so I did save, yes? Okay. Alright. Alrighty then. I have to backtrack a lot now. I need to be careful. Oh, you're kidding me. Does it help killing these guys? Or will they just come back because... But yeah, I mean, if I know that the stream is unwatchable, I wouldn't keep playing. That's how I roll. That is how I roll. Let's go up here again. What the heck is she doing? What the what? Where did she get that from? I'm on poison. Okay, good thing I have this. I already checked this, but I'm just being OCD right now. That one was locked. That's very sweet of you, but I feel like I'm providing a shitty, a shitty entertainment. No buffering since 1 minute. That's good. So there was a few things I needed to pick up here, like this. Oh no, spider splooge. There was a barcode here I need to pick up. I'm gonna pick this up as well. The board says problem solved. That's what I like to hear, but I'm not convinced because it still shows red on my OBS. It's not very sound. And the fact that I lowered my bitrate, it's not good. Thank goodness this game doesn't have a lot of movement. Like if it was, for example, Minecraft. You constantly turn your face in first person. Midna, by the way, yes, my Minecraft, my goodness, I'm thinking about Minecraft. My Pokemon stream is gonna be either tomorrow or the day after. Definitely. Promise Hypu. Yeah, but if it has a lot of movement, you need a lot of bitrate. This game doesn't have a lot of, the camera doesn't move that much, doesn't have a lot of graphics, is what I'm trying to say. Mining room key, okay. Okay, so do I just... So do I do just shoot a hot arrow or something? What do I do? Do I just shoot it perhaps? I don't know. No. Probably need to increase the heat or something. Maybe give it a chili, as Philly is trying to imply. Live latency is at 81.9. That's unacceptable, my goodness. No, that's unacceptable, my goodness. No, I'm gonna call it, guys. I'm very, very sorry to disappoint you, but man, that's not good. What if I shoot these guys? No. Oh man, I'm so disappointed. But it's ridiculous. I'm gonna have to end the stream, guys. It's unwatchable, this stream. It's unwatchable. I am so sorry. So yeah, you know what? The progress I made since I saved, I'm not gonna save again. So I'll continue again from where I saved. Alright, guys, I'm gonna go. I'm gonna eat my pizza. Whatever, I'm gonna go eat my pizza. You know, look at the bright side. I'm not gonna eat my pizza cold, at least. At least. I'm gonna be hanging out someone else's stream. I don't know who or where or why. Actually, who's streaming? Maybe we should. Do you wanna do me a little favor, guys? We all go and bother. Let's see who you're gonna go bother. Let's go say hello to Keen. Keen is awesome. Let's go say hello to Keen. Let's go say. I'm gonna post his link, all right, and just say Vloggy sent you, or Vloggy or whatever you want to say. All right. I'm gonna post. You don't have to stay. You know, just say hi, and that's it. You don't need to subscribe. Just like his stream. You know. So yeah, I'll see you guys there. I'm gonna be hanging out there, eating my pizza and watching his stream. I'll see you guys there. Take care and ciao. Bye.